On this episode of My Alabama Home, we're going to share with you a buffalo chicken slider recipe that is fast, easy, full of flavor, and your family is sure to love. This recipe makes 12 sliders. Preheat your oven to 350. We have seasoned 3 chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and seasoning salt. We're going to cook that to 165. We chose the Instant Pot because it only takes about 10 minutes. Now we have shredded our chicken breast and we're going to add it to the bowl along with our other ingredients. 1/2 cup of ranch dressing, 1/2 cup of buffalo sauce. Now you're just going to mix all of the ingredients together. The recipe calls for 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. We're going to add 1 cup to the bottom. This keeps the buns from getting soggy. Then we're going to add the chicken on top of that. Then we will add the remainder of the cheese. Now we're going to make the topping mixture. We need 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Just mix these together. And then we're going to pour it on top of the sliders. Wrap tightly in foil and bake for 25 minutes at 350. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.